Hello. Mm. Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back once again to your channel, Ready Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, amazing recipes, travel and event. If you're new to this channel, please consider viewing my videos. Give them a like if you love them. Make sure you subscribe and then don't forget to turn on that ring bell so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to see my videos. As usual, I'm coming back with some simple quick potato recipe. Guys, I tell you guys that you can make use of potatoes in so many ways for quick and tasty breakfast or snack. So guys, don't depend so much on bread. There are always many available recipes that you can use for your breakfast. So guys, today I have some flavored potatoes. With only a few potatoes, like 3 or 4 potatoes, you can come up with an amazing recipe. Kindly watch this video until by just peeling off my tomatoes, and then after peeling them we are going to make sure we boil them till soft. So guys, I'm going to boil this. Guys, meanwhile I have my 3 eggs. I will crack my eggs. my 1 tomatoes. To make sure there is free movement. So what I'm going to do, so guys, look at this. Guys, what is in here? It is very tasty, guys. I started eating them. Just see this. Eh? Hmm. 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 So tasty, guys. Please try out this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.